Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alex, if you're new. I'm feeling in a grungy mood right now. That's what we're gonna do today. So we're just gonna get right into it. I have my base on, obviously. I have no brow primer on. Brow primer? What? Eye primer. What? I'm gonna start off with the Walk of No Shame eyeliner. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm gonna start off by rimming my whole eye in this. So I'm gonna go into my waterline, my upper waterline. And I am not gonna worry about this ending up messy. So that's kind of the point. Now, I'm gonna rub my eye. And I'm gonna do it immediately for each eye so that the eyeliner, ooh, done and done. I look done so quick. I've been seeing so many people do this and I wanted to try and give it a shot, and I mean, I look done, you know what I mean? Let's do the bottom. Let's do the other eye. Sick. I love it. Now I'm gonna grab, I actually don't know if this is still available. I'm gonna grab Nirvana. It's like you think I'd planned it. From the Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 4 palette. I'm just gonna pick that up on my ring finger. And I'm gonna do basically the same thing. I'm gonna close my eye and just buff this like over everything. I'm just gonna rub underneath my lower lash line and use my fingers to kind of bring that eyeshadow up and out. Just like that. All right, now that I have my base look, I'm going to grab this cool tone shade from the Makeup by Mario Ethereal palette on my Rephr 13 brush. Now you could leave the eye look just like this. This is grunge, AF, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna bring a little more drama to it. I'm gonna start underneath my brow. Bring it into the crease or just above the crease. And then bring it into that area where we flicked that eyeshadow out a little bit. Just like that. Which kind of creates like a little bit more of a structured look for this look. You can kind of see that I'm like creating a little bit more shape to my eye socket. It takes it from looking like messy to structured, elevated, and a little bit more put together, even though it's grunge. All right, I am going to curl my lashes, but I'm not going to use a mascara that holds a curl. I'm going to use the Give Beauty mascara. I'm going to coat all my lashes from the base, and then once I have them all coated, I'm going to start angling them. So I'm going to pull them to the side. So once I have that first coat, I'm really loading them up and pulling them, angling them. I'm gonna do the same thing with the lower lash line. Just gonna go back and forth, kind of mess them up a little bit, and then angle them. So thick amounts, and I don't give a fuck if I'm getting mascara on my lower lash line. When I was in high school, I used to rim my eyes in all black eyeliner, and then I would go in with a ton of mascara, and I loved when the mascara got on my lower lash line because it made it look even blacker. Just living. Just living. We're here to fuck shit up, you know what I mean? All right, guys, this is the finished I look. It took like 2 seconds. It's super messy, but there's also something like really glam about it. I know that these colors are like not the most flattering for my skin tone, but I'm obsessed with this look. It literally looks like my dark circles, but glam. You know what I mean? If you were wondering, my lip products are Orpha's collaboration with Dose of Colors. She did a couple different sets. The 90, was it 90s and 2000s? No, I can't remember. I don't know if they're still available, but I'll try to link like similar products. I don't think that they have names on them because they came in a set with a box. But the color I used for the lipstick was Velour, and then there's like a brown lip liner that it came with, which is what I used to contour my lips. So that's what I used. The lip liner unfortunately doesn't have a name on it, so I don't remember which set it's from. But Velour, I'm assuming that's from the 2000s set. I know I've done some grunge looks here, and I feel like they're some of my most requested looks. So let me know if you want to see more. I wanted to kind of experiment with color a little bit with the red, which is a little bit safe, I think, for grunge. But let me know if you want to see more like colorful grunge looks. I've really been enjoying being on social media and seeing everybody like put on eyeliner and just like smudge it to make it look like lived in. And I wanted to give it a shot. So I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out. You can definitely just do that and then add mascara, but doing this little trick to kind of define your crease depending on your eye shape makes it look a little bit more like elevated or glam, or even a little bit more grunge, again, depending on like your coloring and all that kind of stuff. All right, guys, just a quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, blah, 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 all the things. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you want to see next. And hopefully I'll see you then. Okay, bye. Kind of looks sick, but like in a glam way, you know?